in this video, we are looking at monthly bullish stocks with 3 CPR, monthly CPRs up, which indicates bullish trend. Okay, and we are also filtering the stocks which have which are above all the moving averages. So it's basically bullish all across. Okay, so the first stock we are looking at is First Solar, FSLR, right? Which is volume is 4 times the normal volume. Okay, so we'll go here, SLR. Okay, First Solar. Okay, you can see that people are trying to sell the stocks, it looks like. Okay? So these are not the right setup for us. Next one is there's a low price stock, I don't want that. So CLX. CLX. You can see here, CLX is 3 CPR up. You can see this stock is trending up. All RSI up, everything up. Higher time frames also up. Long term, short term bullish. So CLX is uptrending. Okay. So next one is CMG. Chipotle. Okay, so Chipotle also looks like bullish. You can see 3 CPR up. All time frames up. Everything is up. Okay. Next one is Oracle. ORCL. Okay. Oracle. Technology stocks, all CPRs up. Narrow CPR. So this is also trending up. I think this trend could come to a halt. Okay. See everything is turning down. You gotta be careful here. Okay, so now let's start by call sizzle index. Okay, so you just want to see how activities on the call side. Okay, so let's start by put call ratio, very low put call ratio. WINN MGM. So this is also bullish. Okay, this is bullish upside. Okay, so now let's look at MELI. Okay, so this also is bullish. Okay. So NVIDIA. Okay, it's trading up. It's trading up. Okay, so all the bullish trend fired. Now it's going to fire to the upside or downside. So hopefully it's going to fire to the upside. Okay. Thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. We do provide this channel for free. Please let me know if you want.